Tatak RMN.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ng Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Charm bakit makapun sa charm? Walang amoy kulong kahit sabay sa loob.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm bakit makapun sa charm? Walang amoy kulong kahit sabay sa loob. Makapun sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN.
Goodbye to me, Mancha. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan. Pride Bar Blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, Mancha. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Rise to the summit, drink up. Rise to the summit, fuel up. Rise to the summit, rise up.
The right hydration matters
To perform.
To win.
to rise above challenges.
Top athletes like EJ Obiena, Bella Belen, and Dwight Ramos choose Summit Natural Drinking Water.
Fuel your peak
With the right hydration.
with the right minerals.
Drink up, fuel up, rise up. Rise to the summit.
Summit Natural Drinking Water.
Summer heat is on. Mag-summit ka muna. The right hydration with the right minerals.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pating virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Bilib ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses
Sa
Association.
sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya'y protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN.
Madali na ba mag-cash in sa Bingo Plus? Official partner na namin ng Bayad Center. E-license ba yan ng PAGCOR? Kaya responsible gaming lagi and fun gaming na may insurance. So feel first, insured ang wallet mo ng 1 billion pesos. Safe nga! E talaga naman fast sa Bingo Plus.
Tandaan, gambling for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive, know when to stop. Visit responsiblegaming@hardcore.ph.
Bingo Plus! Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo! Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop!
Home is where the heart is. Kaya bilang isang real estate broker, malaki ang kaligayahan ko na makatulong sa mga kliyente ko sa paghanap ng kanilang home. Pero kapag sunod-sunod ang mga meetings at site visits, hindi maiiwasang mapagod. Kaya naman, I really invest in taking care of myself. Nag-i-exercise ako at kumakain ng mga healthy food. Plus sa tulong din ng MX3 capsule, verified ito with alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen. Ako, si Vivian Balabis, MX3 capsule, dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3. Tatak RMN.
Maskin donde, hasta cuando. Tatak RM